The media has been throwing around the idea that we're headed for a housing crash, but is this really the case? To answer this question, we need to look at the number one law in economics, supply and demand. So let's write it down here. Supply and demand. So demand in the housing industry is measured by household formations, meaning someone is occupying a new property without relinquishing or giving it up or selling one, like a kid who's moving out of his parents' house for the first time. Right now in the US, there's 1.4 million households being formed per year. So if we take a look here, just write 1.4 million. Then we have supply, which comes in the form of new construction. Here we're looking at housing completions or homes ready to move into, which currently equals 1.2 million after counting for those being replaced. So right here, 1.2 million. This means that the homes remain greater than the available completed inventory for supply, which bodes well for home prices being supported. So just take a line here, and then you'll see here's a shaded area where there's more demand than supply. So what does appreciation look like in your area? Just put your zip code in the comments below, and I'll send over a report with your local data. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.